Good morning. Welcome back to Jamilia and Brenna's YouTube channel. Did you guys miss us? Because we miss y'all. But oh my god, I need to be so quiet because today we are pranking your girl Jamilia. I'm coming back with them banger videos. She is still sleeping. Ooh, hold on. Oh, I'm in my bathroom and I got some good lighting in here. Anyways, we're gonna get your girl. I'm gonna wake her up with some loud noise and we're gonna get her reaction, y'all. You guys ain't ready for this, are you? I need to get something that's loud. What should we use? Should we use like 2 pans or something? I don't know, but let's do this. Shh. Watch, she's sleeping. Alright guys, I put on my bathrobe since I just literally like jumped off bed and I'm like, you know what? It's time to get your girl, okay? So should we get like pans and like a boom? I think that's a good idea. But I don't want to like scare the baby, but I think this would be a good idea. I'm a little bit afraid, like I feel bad, but we gotta get your girl. We gotta get her because she needs to wake up. We gotta get her. Comment down below what you think her reaction is going to be. And what other banger videos should we do to your girl? You know, I just thought of this. I'm like, you know what? I've been wanting to do a video where she is like still asleep and like we need to wake her up. It's time to wake your girl up. It's not time to be sleeping and the baby's awake. But let's go. Let's get it. Are y'all ready? Pray for me. Pray for me. It's time to wake you wake. 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 You are a heavy sleeper. Did I get you? Guys, didn't get her with the first try. She just kept sleeping. Can you believe that? Didn't get her with the second, but with the third, she was like, what are you doing? Maybe it wasn't loud enough. You know what? Comment down below with something that's like wicked loud, and I can get your girl even better. So comment down below right now, and I'm gonna get it. Did you guys like this prank? I just had to get your girl. Let's go see the baby, because I think he's crying. He is. What's the matter? What's the matter? Hold on, guys. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You want to say good morning? Good morning. It's crazy hair day for me right now. Say hi. Don't you guys just love my baby? Mwah. Say good morning. Hey, puppy. Say cheese. There he goes with his hands in his mouth. He's teething. You guys want to see his teeth? Come on. Let's show you your teeth. Ready? Oh my God. Look at those big teeth. So cute. My big boy's teething. You teething, big boy? You teething, big boy? Huh, big boy? Give mama kisses. Give mama kisses. Show them you know how to give mama kisses. Come on. Give mama kisses. Mama kisses. Give mama kisses. Show them. Show them that you know he wants to watch. He wants to watch his cartoons. I'm supposed to put that down. They're gonna take off my video. Forgot to put that down. Say hi. Okay, you wanna sit? Show them you know how to sit. Look, he sits. Show them you're a big boy. Say I'm a big boy. Yeah, I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. Ding 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 boy. Da na na. Come here. Come here. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, we will be back with more videos. Say bye, baby. Look, he's just looking at the camera like, what is going on? And he goes back to his muñequitos. Do we look alike? Comment down below. It's my babes. You know, everybody says that he looks just like his dad, and that Jamilia looks just like her dad. They both have the same dad, by the way. And then I got no credit. Like, are y'all kidding me? Are y'all kidding me right now? Like, I was in this too. It's not just one person, it's two. He looks like me. Comment down below. Come here. Say cheese. Say cheese, papa. So you can see you look just like mama. Alright, anyways. Like I said, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and give us a big thumbs up. Oh, and also, give us 10K likes on this video. 10K likes. We will drop another banger. Peace. We love y'all.